What?
You guys have like little like screwdriver?
What? That forehead?
Yeah, the forehead. A really small one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, it's your turn, Rejoice. Kay Mami na yun.
No, it's the same as Jobet. Ako kaya pinagpareho ko rin, tita.
Kay Mami na lang.
Ang ganda! That's it!
Kathy,
I want one like this too, please.
from the Disney store.
Disney store. It's so cute. I know.
From
Ray Joyce and Raymond. Ilagay mo na dyan sa kahon niya mga envelope para sama-sama yung pera mo.
Wow, Crayola! Wow!
Oh, wow!
Wow, ang daming Crayola yan.
Bata, crayons malalaki.
Napakaswerte na.
Ano? Sa Lily daw. Lee! Lily! Lee!
Ayan na, meron na. Alright.
Underneath the table.
I'm gonna get a face. Someone might perfect. You put it there. Put it there. The stroller. Put it up.
Lighter.
No, grandma. Ayan, nanay. Grandma.
May yung mga Golden Girls. Yung Golden Girls.
Palpak na ako eh. Tagal na nating turn eh. Tayo pwede makapagano.
Nako, patay kayo.
Hindi, para kay Jobel. Para naman. Ano ba yun?
Oo, pwede magkakaroon.
That's a liquor. The box is like a liquor.
Wow! Beanie Babies!
From
know how much these things are worth if you guys save them?
I have
Retired na to.
retired na. Hindi ka dito.
Pag retired na, mahal na yan.
Pwede yan.
Binibigay niya, babe?
Kaya naka-vlog
Jennifer yata yung Abigail.
Kaya sila. Di ba? Yan ang retired na yung mga
Kaya
Jobel!
Thank you.
Pakita mo naman.
Bye!
Wow, Barbie car. Jason and the belly.
Where you guys going?
Let's go race here. Go in the kitchen. Hey.
You know what? This kids are so lucky. Yes. We get 2 gifts every Christmas. Really little. Well, you're
I didn't get any.
You're only 9 still. Oh, yeah.
Watch, Crystal, watch.
Mommy!
Let me see.
Ang dami, baby ka na naman.
Si Silly. It tells you joke. What is that? Okay.
Mappers.
Nahanap yung pera eh. Nahanap yung pera.
Wow!
Walang pera. Walang pera.
Bumpers.
Walang pera.
Babe, ibalik mo na sa kahon. Tira.
Sa kahon.
Hindi na magkakasya. Mali na yung pagkakalagay.
Oh, ano yan? Fruitcake?
This is from
Auntie
Fruitcake.
Mir.
That's the car.
Fruitcake.
Cake, hindi naman ah.
Fruitcake.
Naubusan ako ng pambalat kagabi.
What's that?
Oh!
Wow, that's nice.
Angel Farm
the money. Mommy got the money.
From Santa.
Santa, I guess, came by last
Oh, Santa came by last night. You didn't wake up?
Did you tell them every night you get something from Santa?
Did you give Santa some milk and
December 1, every time she wakes up in the morning, there's always something in the fridge.
Aga gumigising ng mga yan eh.
They get up in the morning.
Did you offer milk and cookies to Santa?
Hindi na babalik yun.
Oh, Santa is hungry.
Wow, Winnie the Pooh again!
What is that?
This is from Santa.
Don't buy me sharp. Santa will give me one.
Tupa-tupa!
Dahil lang pala, hindi ka kasali. Ay,
Yung mga bigas na.
Mamaya na.
hindi ko na binasa yung...
Pagkatapos na, oh. You want to take my picture?
Ang ginagawa niya, ano eh. Si Minday, Ma! Ma! Betty, nag-date na si Rose at saka si Boots. Wala na.
Nasa bahay pa si Rose. Wala sa
Baka nagtagayan na silang dalawa.
Lagay mo na dyan sa malakas.
Pang Pilipinas na yun. Bawal, pang Pilipinas na pantanay.
Pantanay.
Pantanay na yan.
Raquel, tapos ka na.
Sama. Jo, you want to feel?
Ay, puta, yan ang
You want to feel? Easy. Naku, dai. Naku.
Ano na pangalan mo, Mami?
Obsession! Hindi, chocolate. Laking pabango
Kung
na.
lang niya. Obsession. Ganun ang kuha.
Kahit 5 taon, di mo na ako eh.
Napauwi na ako asawa ko eh. Loinay from Mancinido. Sino Mancinido?
Mama. Ma!
Hindi pa ata nagre-rehisto eh.
Oo nga eh.
Ganun yan.
Nawawala yung
Kainay yan. Ano kainay yan? Alam niyo, wala nakasulat eh. Hindi ko alam. Kainay lang yung kahon na yan.
my shoes.
Nakikihati pa, no?
Kiyati.
Yung kanya ayaw, pero
Nakakaalam kung kanino to?
yung kanya.
Rapol natin mamaya.
Sino nagbigay?
Yun ang nakapangalan eh.
Rapol
Sino
natin
nagbalot
mamaya.
nito? Hindi nyo rin alam kung sino.
Wala na kamay sanda niya. Ano nang galing kila Rose?
Hindi.
Hindi nga, rapol na lang natin mamaya para walang
Makita ko
ano.
ano laman.
Ano nang galing ng tay? Jenny? Kay Jennifer? Oo.
Jen and John.
Oh.
Joel, Joel, kung saan na kanya, ilagay na.
Hindi pa siya nagbubukas.
Meron yan.
Yan lang muna ang galing mo.
Yan ang muna kasi hindi pa, magbubukas pa yon.
Ah, kay Joel, wala pa.
Wala pa. Umuwi ka na.
Uwi ka na.
Bye, I'm going home.
Okay, bye!
Joel, kulang na ko.
Bye!
See you next year.
Uwi na si Santa Claus.
Joel and Linda.
Saan?
Ano kaya yan? Buksan nga ninyo.
Hindi na, mga chocolate, cookies, wine, cheese, mga ganun. Chris and,
From Chris and Lily.
oh, yan ang sabi ko eh.
Kanino kaya to?
Ano naman?
Pajama, medium.
Ako,
Ano
large,
pang babae?
large ako.
Baka may binalot ni Hershey yan, para Linda. Hindi si Hershey nga nagbalot. May sobra sa loob. Birthday suit.
Jackie and Brand.
Teka ito.
Hindi, baka may sobra sa loob. Dito, tingnan mo baka may sobra sa loob.
Wala eh.
Kuminsan sa loob sa nilalagay.
Ano kami baka galing sa kanila?
Kunin ko na baka.
Baka galing sila sa kanila. Wala naman nakakaalala kung kanino to?
Sabi daw niya, puro kap na lang. Si Boots kanina pa nakahanda. Ilat-ilat mo para maalala mo
Nako.
sino nagbigay sa'yo.
Wala na yan.
Hindi.
Mamaya na.
Nag-date na yan.
Sabi ko, si Boots sana pumunta na lang.
Oh, from Ray Joyce and Ray Mark. Where are you? Ray Joyce, where are you?
Ito pala yung kay Uncle Joy.
Ha?
Sa'yo pala ito.
Akin ba kaya?
Oo. Minda, Uncle Joy and Tita Minda.
Oh? Oh, God. Wala na.
Wala naman nakasulat.
family room. I mean, doon sa ano, laundry. Ano ba? His and hers? His and hers yan.
Additional namin ito siguro para hindi mabulong.
Sinobre na lang ba eh?
Magtubo ka sa lahat.
Madali naman.
Everybody go.
I know, but they are so excited.
Everybody is. You be next. Everybody use. Madami pang choice.
Rejoice. This is yours. You can tell it's your box. Rejoice.
May titignan ko yung ano, battery. That's
And kids.
Kaya naman pala natagalan, nagbalot pa eh. Maniwala ako.
Kaya dali, masisira yan, babaliktad yan. Ay, tangka yun, it's not gonna be the... No, wait. Diba the cars, forget it. Ah. Nanay, sige.
Hindi na makita ang video.
Sa aming karga, natapon na. Sobra-sobra.
Jobet, Jobet. Jobet. Okay.
This one. Right. Ano po yun? Thank you. Yeah, Binur. Hey. Okay na, susunod sa New Year yan, ha? Si Inay pala kailangan mabilan. Bilan mo. 70 sober. Parang pareho natin na. Ito. Parang pareho yung golden lemon sister.
From Mirna.
Tapos pakantahin niyo niyo. Christmas song.
Alright. Pang-bagets. Pang-bagets.
Nako.
Bagets si nanay ngayon. Bagets. Ay, pareho din sila eh. Parehong kulay. Iba. Iba pero parehong kulay. Velvet nga. Mainit na sa
Hey, that thing.
Wow! Bag! Baka mamanang mo. Alright, alright.
Alam eh. Kasi
Sabi ko meron yata ang makatok sa paa. That's my mom's dad. Hey!
Oh, how much? How much?
Ilang libog? Magkano, magkano?
Libog?
Ilang libog? Ano yan? Machiro. Dito lang ka.
kay Raymar, naglalaro at matatanda. Ang ganda naman pala ng whiskey.
Hindi na ganun eh. Para ka nagda-drive eh.
Oh, I got money. Who's this?
No, walang sober.
Wala. Wala lang pala eh.
Uy, baka makapatay.
What's your eyes?
Talaga naman si Tito Jojo, oh, konsultidor eh.
Oh, yan ha?
Ang tagal-tagal na niyang hinahanap ng baril si Raymar. Ganyan.
Ang hirap maghanap na. Hirapan pa eh. Oh my God, ayaw magmuna.
Tapos, Winnie, tapos $5 lang pala yun.
$5 lang yan. Oy, tingnan mo niyo yung bata.
Ayan, ayan, Joe. Mabibingi yung anak mo. Ano, mabibingi yung anak mo. Oh,
Takot si Maki.
tell your dada not to buy things like that. Yeah, tell your dada. This is supposed to be. Jobet, that's your dada. He bought it to Makmak. Tell your dada not to buy toys like that anymore. That's too much to the ear. Sakit sa ano eh. Oh, ano mo?
Wow! May pangkasino na nanay.
Kasi ng mga regalo, sabi ni Jojo, huwag mo nang bilangan. Ba't mo pa bibilan eh? Dami niya.
Oh, magda-diary si Grandma. Wow, may diary si Grandma.
Oh, it's cool. Oh, ayaw niya na pag-gana.
Oo, sino yun? Sino?
Raquel!
Ay, suot mo kayo.
Sino ba lahat ni Rin?
Ayaw na, binigay na sa akin eh.
Sino pala na anak mo yung mga regalo? Lahat na.
Nag-aaral, binubuksan lahat eh.
Wow, that's cute. Naman lang.
Bring the cow.
Yan, back charger.
Back clapper.
Ano na yun? Ito my back hurts. My
Jennifer.
Hey, Nay, let me borrow that.
Ay, Vicky, I need that.
For my birthday.
Hindi, naka-off. Naka-off.
Oh, there's one more.
Naka-off.
Saka nabuksan yung dami niyan. Hindi mo paggagawa na.
Oh, bukas na, Nay. Ah, akala ko.
Because once the car starts turning your way, you have to do it like stop and then reverse.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like it's good for like open spaces. It's good for open spaces.
Talaga naman. No bullet.
Oh, wow.
Nice photo.
Don't put it close because it squirts.
He probably went to Wisconsin just to get there.
I am younger.
Yeah.
Na magkakasino na yan.
Thank you. Tunanay from grandma.
Tapos sila rin yung nabili niya. Thank you, I know, it's nice.
How can that happen?
It's nice.
Because now I need mom.
Nay, malaki sa inyo yan. Kasama kain
How can it be a mom and grandma? Because it was Tunanay from grandma.
Grandma from nanay.
What's the difference?
And this is from
So she's actually his my great grandmother. Giving her to Tunanay.
Look where his head is. Oh, his head. Look at his head.
Reload ko lang.
Ilang taon yan?
tamang-tama sa bahay.
Yan ang gusto ni Joy. Sa Pilipinas pa? Sa Pilipinas?
Galing kay Jen and Abigail.
Hindi na. Pilipinas kay Papa.
Dahil pagkain yung gamit sa bahay.
Okay. Ay, yung pambahan.
Ay, pinipili ko si Vicky. Siya naman ang pinapili.
Ah, tapos na?
I will cookies for you.
Oh, sino naman?
Ah, next.
Oh!
Doon sa ilalim, sa ilalim.
Oh!
Thanks, nice.
Ha?
Yay! Awesome! Yay!
Yay, yay.
My turn. It's my day.
Lord, let me finish first. You can see all the
Okay, to Patrick.
Make it
From
fast
Grandma.
naman. Patrick from Grandma. Yay!
Oh, cool.
Yeah!
50 bucks. May the happiness of our Savior's birth fill all your days of life. Go. Yeah.
Yay!
Hey, that wallet is mine!
Mahina nakita ng ano dyan. Ng
Oh, next. Next.
Ay, yung mga ganyan malalaki, wala.
Wala na, hindi kayo
Yay! Yay! Yes,
Alright, let's try nice game.
Patrick, Merry Christmas from Ate Gil and Ate Jen. Yay!
I hope I don't even know fish.
Yay! Yay!
Jacket.
It's a jacket?
Hey, Patrick, open the little gift already.
Where's that?
From Old Navy.
That little gift.
It's my turn.
Pasensya ka na,
It's my choice. Patrick, tomato rolls. Yay! So much you with me.
Because you have to take it outside.
Celebrate this season. And have a very happy new year.
You should have talked.
$30.
Full of it, man.
Yay! And candy. Yay!
Nagkiri sa wallet yung pera niya eh. Lagay ka agad. Sa'yo na yung mga ganyan. Wala.
Yeah, open that gift.
They want to play with it.
From Auntie Myrna. Yay!
Yay!
Mommy!
Yeah, hurry up!
Yay! Ayaw mag-open. Yay!
Yeah.
Sabi ko, when we get home, you open them all up.
Yay!
Yay!
Open
Because he gets
All right.
Yay!
We give you that.
Mr. Myrna.
Give me the money.
From Auntie Nina.
Money.
Yay!
I want money. From where?
Auntie Nina.
Judith.
Oh, Judith ba din ang yan?
Oh, ito ba kanina? Where's your from?
Look at this, it's like tart.
Di ba pa help me sir?
Structure.
Fracture.
Yay! Lucky!
Oh, it's so huge.
Lucky!
I can wear that!
Y'all can wear it now.
I can wear that one! Yay, mommy!
What? That's for you?
To Patrick.
Ayaw niya maluwag eh. Yung pantalon, hindi.
Yeah, you have all this money.
Yay!
What do you need money for?
From Nanay.
How much? How much? How much?
Wallet. Raymart. Raymart.
You want to play golf?
Yay!
You want to play golf? Yeah. You want to play golf?
No, he said. Leave him
You want to
alone.
play
To
pool?
Patrick. From Kuya Ona and Ate Kathy. Yay!
Lechon,
Yay!
lechon, lechon.
Disney.
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 Cardi C, that. Yeah. Yeah, see, I got a smaller size, so these are good.
Yay!
Bagay sa'yo.
That small one. That green one.
Yun na lang, ano? Yun na lang. Yung isa na lang.
To Patrick.
Come on, open
That
it.
looks familiar. Structure.
No, it's not structure.
This is the box.
It's just a box.
Small. With crystal.
Yay! Patay ka bata.
Ang bata.
Right result.
This is nice.
Oh, envelopes.
Mamaya na envelope. Alam na yung kung ano.
From Ray Joyce and Raymart.
Old Navy.
Right here.
All right. That's it.
Yay!
Yeah! Ang dami na masusot ni John.
Daddy.
Daming pera. I got bills to pay.
Take this money, I'll give you 10%. I'll keep it.
Hey. Season's greeting.
Yay! Money! Gusto pa na You should open your issue bag. Yeah, here. Auntie, yeah, that's Uncle Jordan.
I gotta go to the store.
Yay!
Bango yung mga ano nila dun eh.
That's my money.
Pass your ribs, all right! Go buy some ribs.
Yay! Can I borrow some?
Can I open this, Mom?
What's that from home?
From Mom and Dad, right?
Woo! That's $100.
What is this?
Look how many cards he's got. I ain't got none.
One.
Yay! $60.
Card.
Mom and Dad.
Tissue!
One card.
Yay!
Because he, sa tawag ng collect from school, eh, $1.50 ang tawag. Isang tawag.
Ma, Tristan, why are you waiting? Get another tape for you. Ask Mom where it is.
Just hold
Look underneath the video. Tristan, underneath the VCR.
Come on, Patrick.
Eric, Patrick!
Right there.
We want to open our gifts too.
Just said the same thing to Raymar.
Oh, you gotta go good.
Did you put your phone guard in?
Hey, hey, Disney. Ayan, nasa sa'yo yan.
I don't want to wear that one. Mas gusto ko yung unang-una kanina. First time.
Final. Final.
Finally. How thick is this? It's like,
Stop.
yay! Rose Belgian!